Okay, this is actually like DEFCON 1 levels of emergency for me and the mod. This just happened like 20 minutes ago. I've been doing a bunch of research to see if I can get it back, but apparently I have accidentally deleted my mod in progress because of the way the emulator for the game I'm modding loads mods. Hello everybody, Zeno here. I don't like saying that intro right now because this is actually just like a way for me to say, I know I just posted the teaser trailer, and I was planning on making a second one, but that has nothing to do with this. I'm gonna have to delay the mod. It's not coming out on Christmas because apparently I deleted the entire thing, and I'm an idiot and never backed it up. And the main reason why I never backed it up is because it goes through a special mod folder that I load up. I might spoil the emulator here in a little bit, so you might be able to guess what mod the game is coming from. But the way this emulator loads mods, I had to make my own special mod like file to make sure it reads it into the mod directory. Now, I was in, for some reason the game I was specifically modding decided not to work with the emulator anymore. I don't know why. The other games I have on the emulator list still load, so it's specifically this game, and I was troubleshooting it. So the one thing I decided to do was update the mod list that you can automatically download to like change resolution, change your FPS limit, change how shadows are rendered on specific games. You can just download the list for every single game that came out on that emulator, and the one thing it does not tell you is that it gets rid of any file that isn't actually in that list. So all the community made files overwrite everything, which according to my knowledge, especially when I checked the recycle bin, got rid of my mod. Everything in it's just gone. Won't even load. It's not even there. It doesn't even exist. I even have like a special, on my desktop, I have a special folder that brings me to that mod so I can add and change files to at my will. And it doesn't even say it exists anymore, which means everything I had that was ready to boot for the game, which was like, out of the 4 major mods that are going to be in this trailer and the release, 3 of them were almost ready to go and the 4th one was being tested. They're gone. Which means I'm going to have to remake them all. Now, I won't have to make them all from scratch because I still have a lot of the source files that can build the mod back together, but obviously I'm going to have to rebuild them back together, which just you can't just copy and paste into the file for the mod and it works. I'm going to have to recompile and put it together and test to make sure it worked the same way it did. So yeah, this mod's going to be delayed again, which sucks because I was literally like in the testing phase of getting it done, and then I was going to get ready to work on the first version of the trailer because I'm going to semi-spoil the fourth thing. The fourth thing in the mod will be a level, and the level I was working on was going to be like maybe a 0.2 version alpha build that you would be able to play when the trailer released, and I would just TLC it in the future as I got better at doing this stuff, because I was just trying to hurry and get to the part where it was in the testing phase. But that is all on halt because I have to redo the 3 mods again from pretty much the beginning, and I'm gonna have to restart. Well, actually I can probably still salvage the level. I just need to fix things that made it crash on boot, because that was the first thing I was encountering problems with. The 4th mod, because I mean, over time, the first mod crashed a bajillion times because it was I was learning how to mod file, and then once I got that one fixed, I completed 95% of it. Like, sounds were the last thing about it. And then mod 2 and 3 were just, I was steamrolling, I was going quick. And then the 4th one was the special mod, the level mod, and getting that to load in the game wasn't working. And all of a sudden, the emulator didn't boot that specific game, and then I downloaded the graphics packs, and that probably spoiled the emulator right there. It got rid of my mod. So probably not coming out by Christmas because I gotta redo all this crap. We'll see. We'll see. If I just like no life recompile these first 3 mods, and hopefully it works the same way as it is intended, I may be able to get it ready within maybe by Christmas, literally on Christmas Eve, if I'm not with my family, which I probably will, or within the next month afterwards, because I don't know. The fact that I'm not as peeved as I thought I would be right now is kind of amazing, because I lost everything. Everything is literally locked. And by the way, I will be backing up now. I will be backing up. I technically have an old build on a flash drive that is in my computer right now. But this is like when I only had the first character barely working. So I am just going to have to rebuild this crap. And I'm just, again, posting to let you know. I've already talked a bajillion times over myself here. This sucks, especially because I finally posted a trailer that I was saying it's almost ready. Well, now it's not because it's gone. So be prepared to wait more, but I'll see if I can start trying to add some other YouTube videos in the mix here because I'm trying to roll back up on that stuff instead of playing games and working on the learning about the mod in air quotes, because now that I know it, I can work on it constantly. So yeah, I'll see you guys later because I'm supposed to be asleep right now, and I've been sitting here contemplating life literally just because I lost my mod. It's insane. I'm probably gonna have a nightmare now. Anyway, see you guys later.